Okay guys, here we go. Now I don't know if any of you are following me on Rick's_oldtimegarage, but I posted lots of pictures of this 47 Merc when it came in. It was originally a green car. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it had like 47,000 original miles on it. It was rust free. We did no welding to this car except for one little patch on the driver's side, and that was it. And then we did the body work, and the customer picked out a different color for it. This is actually a 2011 BMW British Racing Green is what they call this. So Sean worked his magic, got the body, as you can see, looking nice and straight as normal. Jared got in there, worked his magic and laid the paint down, just couldn't get it any better. Again, this is not a wet sand or a polish, it's just how it comes out of the booth. We hung the doors back on it for the customer, the rear fenders and the rear splash apron, as you see. Did a texture spray on the floor, inside and underneath. Now the customer has got the frame, he's had the whole frame blasted, painted, done up, and he had a local hot rodder out here named Bruce Brown, who I've mentioned before in past videos. He built up a little flathead for it, the original one, kind of hopped it up a bit for him. So the guy's leaving it basically stock except for the color and the little hopped up flathead, and that's about it. So the gentleman's on his way today to come pick this up. Hopefully he'll bring it back so we get to see it when it's finished. Probably be a while right now with all this COVID stuff going on. A lot of people are going into lockdown. We still are working away here at the shop. So far it hasn't affected us too much. We've seen a few jobs canceled, but not many. So as you can see in the background, we still got a lot and car lots full of it. So that is what is happening right now at the moment. So there we go. So it's looking great. Alright, so I just wanted you guys to take a look. So hey, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. We will see you next time, and that's it.